Okay, this is the courtyard on the one side of our room. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. We just got one of the regular rooms. And so it's a nice room. The standard Riu bar setup. Quite well stocked mini bar, beers, pops, mix. Okay, now they must have done a nice upgrade of the bathrooms at some point. Double sinks and the safe. I'm gonna take you out on the deck because we kind of overlook the fountain and the pool, which is great. Great view, and a great view out into the ocean. So this is where we're gonna be staying next 2 weeks.